Click on the link below to get price. The Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is an impressive combination of power, performance, and style that caters to serious cyclists and casual riders alike. This 21-speed mountain e-bike is designed not just for commuting but also for tackling rugged terrains, making it versatile for various riding experiences. One of the standout features of the Qlife Racer is its robust 250W motor, which offers an exhilarating boost that makes climbing steep hills a breeze. The peak power of 500W ensures that even the most challenging trails are manageable. The bike's top speed of 20 miles per hour is ideal for thrill seekers, while the pedal assist function allows for a more relaxed ride when needed. The 36V lithium-ion battery ensures that you can travel up to 50 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for longer excursions without the worry of running out of power. The bike's frame is made from lightweight aluminum, which contributes to both its agility and durability. The front suspension fork adds an extra layer of comfort, absorbing shocks from bumpy trails and enhancing overall ride quality. Additionally, the 21-speed gearing system provides ample options for all terrains, ensuring that you can easily adjust to your riding conditions. Aesthetically, the Qlife Racer is sleek and modern, with a design that appeals to a wide audience. The integrated LED lights are a thoughtful addition, ensuring visibility during low-light conditions, enhancing safety on evening rides. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the bike is relatively easy to assemble, some users may find the instructions a bit lacking. Additionally, the weight of the bike, while manageable, might be a concern for those who need to lift it frequently. Overall, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike delivers an enjoyable and efficient riding experience. Its blend of speed, versatility, and style makes it a worthy investment for anyone looking to embrace the world of electric mountain biking. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, this bike will not disappoint.